Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your WeChat account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the WeChat app and tap on the Me button in the bottom right corner. Tap on Settings. On the Settings page, tap on Account Security from the top of the list. Tap on WeChat Security Center from the bottom of Account Security. Tap on Account Cancellation. On the next page, scroll to the bottom and tap on Request Cancellation. Tap Next. Be sure to note that when you cancel your WeChat account, you cannot get back into it again. Tap on Agree and confirm cancellation. Your cancellation request is now complete. WeChat will delete your account within 60 days. Tap on Finish and log out. Tap OK and make sure you don't log in to WeChat again to make sure the cancellation completes. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.